Hey everyone, it's Joanne, aka JoJo, your shipping supervisor. I'm going to be talking about protective braided hair regimen and how I keep my braids and my styles always protected using the fabulous Alikay natural products. I use the black soap shampoo. This is the ultimate holy grail when it comes to a cleanser. It's good for people who have colored, natural, relaxed. It doesn't matter your hair texture. You can use this on your hair. This is the perfect to make sure it's removing all of that nasty gunk out of your hair. Even if I do the black soap, I like to take this one right here. This is the holy grail. It's like marshmallows going into your hot chocolate and just melts away. All of this is going to lock my hair. So I'll take some of the knots be gone after I remove them and I'll just apply it to it. And I just kind of take like a Y2 comb or whatever just to kind of melt it away. Even with my hair being in braids, I like to take the lemongrass leave-in. I liked it because it kept my hair hydrated. It's very light, it's not heavy. It doesn't leave my hair greasy, it doesn't leave it no buildup. I spray it on my hand, I spray it. And I work my way in because we keep our hair in braids, but your hair still needs to be, taken care of as long as it's in the protective style. That's a nice little touch when it comes to your hair, but you wanna make sure you have your roots being sprayed. Let me tell you about the infamous Essential 17. Essential 17 is a very, very, very key in my hair growth journey. I spray them in my hair and use it every single day until I had enough growth to get my hair braided. And now, I'm gonna show you how I slay these edges. The lemongrass hold it styling gel. The lemongrass hold it styling gel is a key factor before I head out the door. I put the gel on the back of my hand. I apply it all around. I don't like to pull my hair extremely tight. And even when my stylist braids my hair, I'm like, girl, lighten up on my edges, please. This is part of like my self-care. You wanna make sure you are taking care of your hair. Thank you for tuning in. Ciao for now.